Hello students, welcome to today's session where we are going to discuss about fraction part 3, where we will be discussing regarding multiplication and division of fractions. Now what is a fraction? Already seen in our previous video. Let's have a recap. Fraction is a number which can be expressed in the form of numerator and denominator, where denominator is not equal to 0. And we have seen that types of fractions, how to add the fractions, how to subtract the fractions. Today we will be discussing about multiplication of fraction. Clear? Now regarding multiplication of fraction, to be considered, if A by B and C by D are two fractions, then multiplication of fractions says that as per the rule, this is A into C by B into D. Clear? That means product of the numerator upon product of the denominator. But few rules to be followed. The first one is, if the fraction are in mixed form, convert it into improper fraction. Clear? Now the second rule says that if there is anything common, if some common factors are found, then do cancellation. For third one says, if product is improper fraction, then convert it into mixed fraction. Clear? Now, before going in this, we will also see that we can do two types of multiplication. The first one is the fractions will be a whole number, or it could be a mixed number, mixed fraction. Clear? Now, if we take an example of multiplication of a fraction whole number to a fraction, that is, if 2 is to be multiplied by 3 by, you can say, 4. Clear? 2 is a whole number. We are multiplying it by 3 by 4, a fraction. Now what does this say? See, 2 is a fraction because it can be written with the denominator 1. Clear? Now multiplying it by 3 by 4. That means A by B, where A by B is 2 by 1. C by D, where C is 3 and D is 4. It says that simply multiply both the numbers. But first rule says if the fraction is in mixed form, convert it into improper fraction. So we don't have any mixed fraction here. If some common factors are found, then cancellation, then do cancellation. That means here you can say, see, cancellation can be done with a numerator to the denominator of one fraction or to the other one. Numerator cannot be cancelled, denominator and denominator cannot be cancelled. Clear? The cancellation can be done between numerator and denominator of the same fraction or with the second fraction. So here with the first fraction it is not possible. We will be cancelling it with the other one. So that is, we are left with 1 by 1 into 3 by 2. That means 1 into 3 and 1 into 2 will give you 3 by 2. Now, the third rule says if the product is improper fraction, then convert it into mixed fraction. See here, we know that this is an improper fraction as 3 is greater than 2. So the answer will be 1 by 2. Clear? Now we will be taking an example of mixed fraction. Now to take the example of mixed fraction, it goes something like this. 3.5 and 4 by 9. That is, multiply it by 4 by 9. So 3.5 is nothing but 7 by 2. 2 3s are 6 plus 1 7. 7 by 2 into 4 by 9. So first step we have done. We have converted the mixed fraction into an improper fraction. And now we will be doing the cancellation of this, that is 1 and 2. Now 7 by 2 and 1 into 9 is 14 by 9. 14 by 9 again is an improper fraction. So we will be converting it into an proper mixed fraction. So when you convert it into a mixed fraction, you are going to get it as 1 5 by 9. Clear? So we have seen multiplication of a whole number with a fraction. We have seen multiplication of a mixed with a fraction. Clear? Similarly, multiplication of mixed with a whole number can also be done. The first step is to find the improper one, and once you find the improper fraction, mixed will be converted into an improper, and then procedure for the first one is to be followed. Now moving ahead, we will be seeing few more examples. Now, when we are seeing few more examples, we will be taking some examples like we have seen the rules. Now, quickly we will be seeing few examples where representation of two 1 by 5, you can say 2 representation of 2 of 1 by 5 see representation 2 of 1 by 5 dramatically. How to do this? 2 means 2, we know 2. So what we are going to do is we are going to take 2 objects, clear? Divide them equally into 5 parts, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Similarly here, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5, clear? And we will be taking only the one shaded part of this. Clear? So, representing 2 of 1 by 5 dramatically will be done like this. Clear? Now, we'll be seeing few examples of more. Like now 2 by 5 of 5 liter means what? It's 2 by 5. We already know what is 5 of means multiply. This is 5 and with the denominator 1, let it be liters and cancellation is possible. This is 1, this is 1. So, we are left with 2 into 1 by 1 into 1, that is 2 liters. Clear? See how simple it is. Now, we have seen representation, we have seen of. Let's take one more question over here. Now the next question is, find the 2 by, you can say 5 by 9 of 48. Now 5 by 9 of 48 is, it's 5 by 9 of 48. 5 by 9 into 48 by 1. So any cancellation is possible over here? 9 and 48? Yes, we can. So this is 3 3s are 3 1s are 3 and 1 3 6 are 18. No more further cancellation is possible. So what we will be doing here is we will be multiplying 5 into 16 by 3 into 1. And we are going to get 5 6 are 30, 0 3 in hand, that is 80 by 3. 80 by 3 again to be converted in mixed fraction, that is 3 2s are 6. So this will be 80 by 3. 3 2s are 6. You are going to get 20. So 3 6 are 18. Then again 2 is there. So we will have 26 2 by 3. Clear? Now moving ahead with the next example, that is, so we can understand that A by B of C is nothing but A into C by B, that is, as this is 1, so into 1. Clear? 11 by 14 of 63. This is your third example. 11 by 14 of 63, that is 11 14 into 63 by 1. So now do we find any cancellation here? Yes, we have. This is 7 2s are and here it is 7 9s are. So 11 into 9 by 2 into 1 is 99 by 2, which is equal to 49 and a half. So we have seen here a few examples of also. Now we know when we are multiplying the fraction to recover with, first thing, if it is a mixed fraction, convert it into a mixed improper fraction and check whether any cancellation is possible or not. If any cancellation is possible, we will be doing that cancellation and then at the last multiply the numerators and multiply the denominators. So formed product, if it is found to be an improper fraction, then we have started with a mixed fraction. Again we will be ending with a mixed fraction. Sometimes it do happens that we are starting with a proper fraction and there is no mixed fraction. At last when you multiply, the product becomes, see here we can see 11 by 14 and 63. We can see 5 by 9 and 48. See, this is not a mixed fraction. Here also we don't have a mixed fraction, but we are getting an improper fraction in the answer. So what we are doing is we need to finally conclude our answer with the simplest form where no more further cancellation is possible. Clear? Now, we'll take a few more examples. Now what to be done if we are taking three fractions like A by B, C by D and E by F. Three fractions, the rule is going to be the same. We will check if first we will check that we have mixed fractions or not. So we don't have any mixed fraction. Now we will be writing all the numerators together. 11 by 25 into 35 by 51 into 34 by 49. Clear? Now when we are doing this, we will see the cancellation part if at all it is possible. Yes, this is 17 2s are and this is 17 3s are. When you see here, this is 5 5s are, this is 5 7s are. Clear? Now I would guide you not to do all the cancellation together. Let's do it step by step. So if it is step by step, the first cancellation we have done. Clear? Now moving ahead, write as it is what you are getting. No more further cancellation possible here. So we are going to take 34 by 49. When we are taking this, we can see 7 1s are and 7 7s are. Again write it as it is. This is 1 by 51 into 34 by 7. So here it is. Here cancellation is 17 3s are and 17 2s are. So we are left with 11 by 5, 1 by 3 and 2 by 7. No more cancellation can be seen at this stage. So if you do in this way, you are going to get proper answer without any confusion. Otherwise, there are chances that you may be confused by which number we have cancelled which number. So try to do cancellation at not at a single stretch, step by step. So we can see first cancellation is done here, second is done here, and third one here. Now we have all the simplified part, and we will be multiplying all the numerators. So 11 twos are 22, and here it is 27 is a 21, and 21 into 5 is 101, which is a proper one. So no need to convert it into a mixed fraction. Let's take the other example. Now the next example is 3 4 by 7 into 2 2 by 5 into 1 3 by 4. Now if you see this, here we will be first converting this into improper. So 7 3s are 21, 21 plus 4 is 25 by 7. Yeah. Then we have 5 2s are 10, 10 plus 2 is 12, 12 by 5. And 1 into 4 is 4, 4 plus 3 is 7. So we have 7 by 4. Now we can see that do we have any cancellation possible? Yes, we can cancel 5 ones up, 5 5s up. Okay, so this becomes 5 by 7 into 12 by 1 into 7 by 4. Now this cancellation we have done, 7 and 7 same. Now it is 5 by 1, 12 by 1 and 1 by 4. Now we have 4 ones up and 4 3s up. So no more cancellation here. We will be multiplying all the numerators and we will be multiplying all the denominators. So we are going to get it as 15 by 1. That is nothing but 15. So here we have seen to multiply three fractions of both the types. Product of three fractions. One in normal form, the other one in mixed form. So now we will be proceeding with our division part. Okay. Now we'll take up the examples over here, like 1 by 5. We don't have a value in this, the second one. Clear? So rupees. Rupees is what? Of means multiply. Rupees is 100 paisa. We are converting it. So put it in a bracket. Then do the cancellation 20 times. This is 20 paisa. Clear? 2 by 3 of an year. Year is equals to 12 months. So 2 by 3 into 12 is 4. That is 8 months. Here it is 5 by 8 into 24 hours. That is 8 3s are. So we have 5 into 3 hours. That is 15 hours. Here it is 4 by 5 of an hour. Hour means what? Hour is 60 minutes. So this is 4 by, we can say 5 ones are and 5 ones are 5, 5 twos are 10. So 4 into 12 minutes. That is 48 minutes. Yeah. Now we will take one word problem where we will be discussing about milk is sold at rupees 16 3 by 4 per liter. Find the cost of 6 2 by 5 liter liter of milk. So what will be the statement here? So statement will be cost 1 liter is rupees 16.3 by 4. Clear? Now, cost of quantity of total milk is taken as 6.2 by 5. Cost of 6.2 by 5 liter is equal to, what will be the cost of this? See, if we take an example generally, cost of 1 pen is 2 rupees, cost of 10 pen is 10 into 2. So similarly, cost of 1 liter is rupees 16.3 by 4. What is the cost of 2 by 5 liters of milk? So we will be multiplying this, that is 6.2 by 5 into 16.3 by 4. Here it is rupees and here it is liter. So first conversion is 5 6 are 30, 30 plus 2 is 32 by 5 into 16.3 by 4. 16.3 by 4 is 16 4s are 64. 64 plus 3 is 67 by 4. Now, cancellation is possible. 4 1s are 4 8s are. So, we get 8 into 67 by 5, which on multiplication will give you 536 by 5, which is rupees 1071 by 5. So we have seen that in the word problem also, it is as it is which we done till now, only fractions to be taken and multiplication part to be considered. Moving ahead with our division, we will be taking up in the next session and ending our session for today. Thank you.